In this video, you'll learn how to install BlueStacks on a Windows 11 PC or laptop from start to finish. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more guides. To begin, check the description or the pinned comment below this video and click the provided link. It's an affiliate link that helps support the channel at no additional cost to you. Once you open the website, click the Download BlueStacks button to download the setup file. After the download is complete, open the setup file to launch the installation wizard. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. When the BlueStacks installer appears, you'll have the option to change the installation location. Click the Change icon, then select Change Folder. Choose the drive or folder where you want BlueStacks to be installed. In this example, we'll install it on the D drive. Once you've selected your preferred location, click OK, then return to the previous screen. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions. When you're ready, click Agree and Install to begin the installation process. BlueStacks will now download and install all the necessary files. Depending on your internet connection and computer performance, this may take several minutes, so simply wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically. The first startup may take a little longer because it needs to configure the Android environment for the first time, so allow it a few moments to finish loading. After BlueStacks opens, you can maximize the window for a better viewing experience. You'll then arrive at the main dashboard. To return to the main home screen at any time, click the home icon located at the top. Inside System Apps, you'll find built-in tools such as Camera, Settings, Chrome, Media Manager, and the Google Play Store. To install Android apps, simply open the Play Store, sign in with your Google account.